noticed, reminded of my home. I never know what I should feel. Am I only returning all the love of you? Say you feel something like
You like?
You look so good.
Yeah.
Hi. Am I allowed to kiss you?
Yeah. Right?
Oh, baby.
Not bad. You look so handsome.
No.
Yes.
Not like you. Not like
No,
you.
sister.
Holy cow.
BK. I never knew going to a St. Patrick's Day party was going to be hands down the best decision I've ever made. Loving you is the best thing I've ever done. Nobody in this world makes me laugh like you do, and there's nobody who sees the real me like you do. You came back into my life when I needed you the most, and I can't thank you enough for having the heart to reach out to me all those months ago. You make the impossible possible in every aspect of your life, and you are the hardest working and most determined person I know. It is those qualities that have brought us to where we are today, because we both know it was truly a 70-30 effort on your part. So thank you.
PK, 10 years ago, my life changed forever when I met you in that small university gym. The coolest, most beautiful girl in school smiled, introduced herself, and I melted. Flash forward to September 9th, 2023, you standing there at the gorge in that fading sunset, music playing in the background, and that adorable smile. It was the clearest moment in my life. I knew at that second that I couldn't go another day of my life without you in it.
I feel like the luckiest person in the world that you chose me to be your person forever. And today I promise you that I will also choose you every day for the rest of our lives. I promise I will always support you in your crazy wild dreams, whether that means being right by your side or cheering you on from base camp. I promise to keep laughing with you, having fun with you, and to continue to never take life too seriously. I cannot, however, promise that it will get any less weird with time, but I will do my very best to self-monitor. Bryce, you are the love of my life, and I cannot wait to spend the rest of our lives together. Love, PK. For real now.
There's a path cut in time.
I promise to be the best dog dad ever to our first baby, Toad, and everyone after that. I promise to keep you you, because you are the most authentic, loving, loyal person this world has ever seen. Although the universe gave us its greatest gift in true love, it also gave us its hardest challenge anyone has ever faced. And no one has done a better job with that challenge than you. I promise you that I'm here no matter what. I'll be by your side through every good day and every bad one. Cancer may think it's got the world figured out, but it hasn't seen a love like ours. And damn it, we're gonna give it one hell of a ride. This life is ours to live exactly how we want to live it. I feel sorry for anything that tries to get in our way. Whenever this life ends, I promise to find you in the next one and everyone after that. And even if I get 100 more years with you, it won't be long enough for me. Loving you is and always will be the greatest thing that I ever do. Love. BK.